Hi, I'm Steve Jones from the Voice of the DBA and SQL Server Central, and today I'm talking about Flyway from Redgate Software and some of the new AI features we've added. So I've talked a little bit about some of the migration script stuff and other things we've added. Today, what I want to talk about is the commit messages. So you can see here, let me clear this out and I'll remove this. I've got a lot of changes I've made. I haven't kept a clean repo and I'm a little embarrassed about this. But writing commit messages can be a challenge. So you see I've got some names here. If I pick one of these files, this little AI thing will kick off. Actually, I edited the message so it won't, but normally it would just kick off and give me a message. So remove migration script for territories. That's kind of interesting, right? And if I pick another one, it kicks off again automatically because I haven't touched this field. And so now it gives me a migration script that's probably about 60-ish characters that kind of describes these two changes. Now, if I were to change this, if I were to just say remove this and populate categories data, and I were to add something else like this, it's not going to kick off again because I've edited this message. But if I want it to, I can click this little sparkle and it'll generate that. So it's adding categories data. So that gives me a decent little message. I'm actually going to commit that so I can start cleaning up this repo that I have messed up. But it reduces that burden for me to be creative, try to examine the files, try to remember what I was working on and across all these different files. And it just gives me a starting point at which I could put something in. So, so I can add something like that and I can then save it and commit it and just work my way through. Now, if you want to know how you do this and enable this in your portal, there's this AI and data sharing features. This has to be enabled. I'm not an admin, so I can't change this, but your admin can change it. And then if you want to see these features, there's an AI services and Flyway documented. So there's generate commits message. This explains lightly how this works. Here's the enabling part of the features, some troubleshooting items, and then how your information is used. So hopefully you'll find some value in this message. I think it automatically makes my life easier because it reduces what I have to think about. And I'm glad we're adding some of these AI features to Flyway. I'm Steve Jones for the Voice of the DBA and Redgate Software.